that you had come here and you are attending this surely out of the passion for knowledge. It's difficult in today's world to have a face-to-face event which is as large and as varied as this. We have 8 panels which will be said subsequently. As Biplab Ganguly has already said, it will be on sustainability, it's on technology, it's on excellence, it's on business, and it's on human center. I forgot the human part. So long back, since I'm giving only 2 minutes, I'll give it back. I saw a movie called Oliver Twist, written by Charles Dickens. My parents, I think I was 5 years old in 1966. There used to be a hall called Globe in Lindsay Street. It no longer is there. For old timers, you may hark back. There was a song. So Oliver, as you know, he was caught by Fagin, who was not a good man. So he had a very rough childhood, an abused childhood. So he's listening to people in the morning. So there's a rose seller pulled by the rose, a milkman pulled by the milk, and a newspaper man who bought my newspaper. So Oliver sings, "Who will buy this beautiful morning?" This is one song I wanted to dedicate to all of you. All of you have made this beautiful winter morning in Calcutta also the Children's Day, a special day because Nehru was born this day. He loved children. Children love to learn, and therefore, if it's a geometric, proof, so it's quite easily proved that you all love to learn. So I rest my case here. I'll not take more time because it's a fun-filled affair. Do enjoy yourselves. Warmly welcome. And whatever has been the glitches when you were entering, it's my fault. We will make do and we'll make it better. Thank you so much. Thank you.